Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is an important topic of chemistry. There are many applications of hydrogen bonding in chemistry, biochemistry, biology, biotechnology, etc. So let's start. When a covalent bond is formed between two atoms having different electronegativity, electrons shift towards the more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom acquires partial negative charge, whereas less electronegative atom acquires partial positive charge. Same as when a covalent bond is formed between hydrogen and electronegative atom, electron shift towards the electronegative atom. Electronegative atom acquires partial negative charge, whereas hydrogen atom acquires partial positive charge. So, when a covalent bond is formed between hydrogen and a small size electronegative atom, the shared electron pair between the hydrogen atom and electronegative atom shift towards the electronegative atom. Here we have example of hydrogen fluoride, a covalent bond between hydrogen and fluorine atom. Fluorine is a small size electronegative atom. So electron shift towards the fluorine atom and fluorine acquires partial negative charge, whereas hydrogen acquires partial positive charge. It leads to the formation of dipole. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom of one molecule and fluorine atom of another molecule. This electrostatic force of attraction is known as hydrogen bond. We have another example of ammonia. We can see that the electrostatic force of attraction between nitrogen atom of one molecule and hydrogen atom of another molecule. So we can say that the attractive force which binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative atom of another molecule of the same substance or different substance is known as hydrogen bonding. Or we can say that the electrostatic attractive force that binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with electronegative small size atom, that is fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen of same or another molecule, is known as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is denoted by dotted line. Here we have some examples of hydrogen bonding. We can see that hydrogen bonding in ammonia, water molecule and alcohol or water molecule. There are some factors responsible for the formation of hydrogen bond and strength of hydrogen bond, that is high electronegativity of electronegative atom. The electronegative atom attached with the hydrogen atom should be higher electronegativity and have presence of at least one lone pair of electron. The more the electronegativity of the electronegative atom which is attached with the hydrogen atom, more the polar character of the bond and hence stronger the hydrogen bond. So we can say that more the electronegativity of electronegative atom, more the polar character and more the strength of hydrogen bond. We know the electronegativity of fluorine is greater than oxygen and electronegativity of oxygen is greater than nitrogen. Another factor which is responsible for the formation of hydrogen bond and strength of hydrogen bond, that is small size of the electronegative atom. The size of the electronegative atom attached with hydrogen atom should be small. Large size of the atom cannot attracted effectively due to screening effect of the intervening electrons. So we can say that small size of electronegative atom more the strength of hydrogen bond. We know that generally fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atom show hydrogen bonding because these are small size electronegative atom and having at least one lone pair of electron. Now, nature of hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond behaves as a dipole bond. We have example of water molecule. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between oxygen and hydrogen atom. Hydrogen acquires partial positive charge, whereas oxygen acquires partial negative charge, and it leads to the formation of dipole. So we can say that nature of hydrogen bond is dipolar. Strength of hydrogen bond. We know that hydrogen bond is a stronger bond than van der Waals forces and weaker bond than covalent bonds. The bond energy of van der Waals forces is 8 kJ per mole and bond energy of hydrogen bond is 42 kJ per mole, and the bond energy of ionic covalent bond is 200 kJ per mole. Types of hydrogen bond. There are two types of hydrogen bonding, that is intramolecular hydrogen bonding and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is that in which the electrostatic attractive force of attraction between hydrogen atom and an electronegative atom both present in the same molecule. Here we have example of orthonitrophenol. The electrostatic attractive force of attraction between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom both present in the same molecule. Same as in salicylaldehyde, electrostatic attractive force of attraction between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom both present in the same molecule. Conditions responsible for the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, that is, the ring formed by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding should be planar. It means all the atoms involved in the ring formation must be present in same plane, and the ring formed by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding should be 5 or 6 membered, because we know that small rings, that is 3 or 4 membered rings, are not stable rings, and there will be minimum strain between the interacting atom in hydrogen bonding during the ring closure. Now we have example of orthonitrophenol. The atoms involved or the ring formed by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is planar or 6 membered, and there is less strain between the interacting atom in hydrogen bonding, same as in salicylaldehyde. The ring formed by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is planar or 6 membered, and there is minimum strain between the interacting atom in hydrogen bonding during the ring closure. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is that in which the electrostatic attractive force between hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom of other molecule. Here we have example of para-nitrophenol. The electrostatic attractive force between hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom of another molecule. References. Thank you very much.